Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we'll be talking about how to make shea butter hair cream, an herbal hair cream that will make our hair glow and look very wonderful. You know, for those of us especially that are on natural hair, this recipe will work wonders on your hair. You know that shea butter is a natural, something natural. I know some of us must have watched that video on how we came about shea butter. So today we just be adding few things to shea butter to make it very okay for our hair. If you are a newbie, this is my Gold series. If you are an existing subscriber, thank you for coming all the way with me. Let's go straight into the practical. Welcome back to the practical section. Quickly, I will run through the ingredients we'll be using for this hair cream, shea butter hair cream. Like I said earlier, here is my shea butter. I'll be using 200 grams of my shea butter. Here is my neem powder. You can decide to use neem powder or neem oil. It has to do with your choice, but today I would like to garnish the hair cream. I'll be using neem powder. Also, here is my sulfur powder. You know, sulfur works against dandruff and negative things on our hair. I also have my turmeric powder. I'll be adding a pinch of my turmeric powder to this recipe, as well as my e-wax, my beeswax rather. Here is my beeswax. Please stay tuned as we go by this production. I'll be dissolving my shea butter first, and I'll be adding in my e-wax before adding other things I intend to garnish it. So I'll be taking in my shea butter inside the pot. For those of us that have not watched the shea butter video, please watch the shea butter video on this channel. How shea butter is done right on this channel. So I told you that we are using 200 grams of our shea butter. Here is 50 grams of my e-wax. I'll be adding in just 25 grams of my e-wax, and I'll be dissolving this together. I'm trying to dissolve my shea butter. I'm not using the double boiling method. I put my pot straight on the cooker. This is actually hair cream, so just on a very low heat, within a few seconds your shea butter will dissolve. As you can see, it's already dissolving. This is just 2 minutes or thereabouts. The shea butter is almost done. So I'll take it off the fire now, because by the time I'm mixing it together, the whole shea butter will be dissolved. So welcome back. I already dissolved my shea butter, as you can see. I will just be adding I'm trying to remove this dirt. So I hope you can see this. For those of us that have watched the videos for the baby bonbon cream and the adult wrinkle cream that I use, I also made their shea butter recipes. You know, I didn't add any wax to the production, but here I have added e-wax, 50 grams of e-wax to this 200 grams of shea butter. That is to get a more solidified consistency. I hope you get that. The hair cream will be solid, just like our normal hair cream. Let's assume that we are using this recipe. We can use this recipe to make an hair oil. I hope that I'll be able to do that one of these days. So we can use this recipe to make an hair oil, and we can also use it to make an hair cream. But today, like I said earlier, I'm actually making an hair cream. Here is my neem powder. I'll be adding it directly inside the oil. I'm using just 20 grams of my neem powder. Also, here is my sulfur powder. Sulfur also does not smell nice, like I often tell us. Here is my sulfur powder. I hope you can see it. Sulfur doesn't smell nice, as I often tell us about vitamin E in my production. So please, if you are making this, because I'm not adding any fragrance to this, I told you that it's herbal, I'm not adding any fragrance at all. If you are making this hair cream and you feel that you want the herbal hair cream to have a very nice scent, please add fragrance to it. You have the right. But for this particular recipe, I'm not adding any fragrance to it. I'm just making this for the hair. Maybe you need to rejuvenate your hair. Maybe the hair is not well balanced, like you need it to be fluffy. Yes, you can add this to it. And the neem powder will help hair growth for those of us that are using natural hair. Here I'll be adding in just 20 grams of my turmeric powder. Just 20. Okay, I'm adding 10 grams rather. You know, if you add so much of turmeric powder, the color of the hair cream will be somehow, you'll be having a pale yellow combination. But I reduced this to 10 grams. So what we just have to do is to mix this thoroughly. You can see that the hair cream has seed. By the time I'm going to pour this into the container to package it, the pictures will be on our Instagram handle. That reminds me, for some of us that have one or two know-how, you know, this channel is all about do it yourself. If you are interested in putting in your DIYs, it may be this niche, it may be other niches, and you are interested in putting it on YouTube channel just as you are watching this, there's going to be a training. You are going to be paying a token. You know, there's somebody that edits majority of these videos that we watch on this channel. I'll be posting the flyer in one of the videos, maybe this video or any other one that I'm talking about this tutorial. So that tutorial on YouTube opening, on some important things you need to know if you want to be a YouTuber, will be something that I feel that some of the subscribers on this channel will need. So please, when you see the flyer and you are interested in joining, if you are not seeing the flyer on this video, you can message me. I will tell you more about the training. But just be aware that you are going to be paying a token for that, so that any other idea you need, maybe to be able to host your own channel and move further from there, you'll be well guided. Also, after this 31-day challenge, we'll be introducing series of our paid class. I hope that we stay tuned. We still have the opportunity to request for videos. Majority of these videos that you see me make during this 31-day challenge are requests for one subscriber or the other, or from some of those customers that walk into the shop. They will ask, so why can't I use this shea butter to make an hair cream? Can't I? And maybe somebody is having issue with it, and I'm saying use shea butter, just add something. I'm just saying, how will I do it? What do I need to add? Then it will come up to my mind that I should make this video. So please, if you are interested in any kind of video that you think I've not made that is still within this niche, send me a message and I will work on it. So you can see the outcome of this. I will pour this into different containers. It may be this container, it may be smaller ones, and I'm going to be posting the picture on my Instagram handle. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for subsequent videos. Bye.